We sometimes receive a lot of pushback when it comes to keeping Yahweh's instructions. And very often the response comes from verses written by Paul the Apostle, quoted quickly and usually taken out of context. But here's an honest question everyone should consider. What if you're wrong? Have you really thought about that? Have you considered the implications of your decision? If the instructions of Yahweh still matter and you dismiss them because of a few misunderstood verses, that is a serious position to take, especially when Yeshua himself said that not the smallest part of the Torah would pass away. So the real question isn't whether following the commandments is popular or comfortable. The real question is, what if the instructions still stand and you choose to ignore them? Have you honestly considered that possibility? May Yahweh bless you.